Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 6978 printer on your Windows laptop or a computer device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to type in HP OfficeJet 6978 support. Best result, you come back with an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 all-in-one printer. Open that up, and then underneath the support category section on this page, you want to go and select software and drivers. And then if you go down a little bit further, underneath installation software and drivers, there should be an HP Easy Start Printer Setup Software link in here. Select the download button, and then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file. And you can close out of the browser. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then you can go ahead and accept or decline optional data. Please note that optional data may be required for certain features you may need or want with your printer. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.